Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove Indeed from your Gmail and how to get stopped receiving notifications from Indeed. So this is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here, and you will be greeted by this homepage right here. And now you want to go ahead and sign into your account from which you are getting those mails from. So you want to do that by clicking the sign in button that will appear right here in the upper right corner. Click on sign in, and then you'll be greeted after logging into your account again by this main page right here of Indeed. So now guys, in this main page, as you can see, we can go ahead and search for a job and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to turn off the notifications for our mail. The first thing we have to do is click on our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on our profile icon, and after clicking on our profile icon guys, we'll be greeted by this menu right here where we have multiple options, and one of the options is going to be called settings. So want to go ahead and find a settings option right here. Click on settings, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this new page where you can see that you have your account settings. So here are your account settings, and at the left side of the screen we have our communication settings. So we want to go ahead and click on communication settings and open up that, and now as you can see we have our text message and email settings. So you want to go ahead and click on email right here, and as you can see here you can select what kind of emails you want or do not want to get. So you can go ahead and select jobs and company alerts. You can select if you want this kind of email. If you do not want, just uncheck it and go back and uncheck everything in email that you do not want to receive, and you'll no longer be getting emails. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.